Picture this: the wind in your hair, the open road stretching before you, and a grin plastered on your face as you navigate the streets in a budget-friendly beast. We're about to introduce you to the world of cheap cars that deliver a punch without emptying your pockets. From zippy compacts to stylish sedans, we've scoured the automotive landscape to bring you the ultimate list of affordable rides. These cars may not have all the bells and whistles, but they pack a punch where it counts, with a price tag that won't make you break a sweat. Rev up your engines and buckle up, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a journey that will make your heart race and your wallet sigh with relief. Welcome to Car Computer Exchange, where we believe that a tight budget shouldn't stand in the way of driving excitement. But be warned, my frugal friends, the road ahead is paved with surprises, quirks, and the undeniable charm of these bargain beauties. So fasten your seatbelts, prepare for a wild ride, and let's dive into the top 10 cheap cars under $3,000, where budget meets excitement in a match made on four wheels. Don't break the bank, but buckle up for the adventure of a lifetime. Infiniti G35, power and performance on a budget. Welcome to the land of affordable speed and excitement. Meet the Infiniti G35, a go-to choice for car enthusiasts who crave power, performance, and a touch of luxury. It's the kind of car that puts a big smile on your face without draining your bank account. Built on a shared platform with the Nissan 350Z, the G35 offers the perfect blend of performance and affordability. Under the hood, you'll find a roaring V6 engine that propels you forward with authority. With rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed stick option available, you can truly immerse yourself in the thrill of the open road. But here's where it gets even better. The G35 is like a grown-up Lego car. It shares parts with the legendary Nissan 350Z, which means you have a vast selection of performance mods at your disposal. From cold air intakes to upgraded headers, you can easily personalize and enhance your driving experience. And the best part? You can still stay well under the $3,000 mark. So whether you're looking for a daily driver with a touch of excitement or dreaming of building a track-ready beast, the Infiniti G35 has you covered. Strap in, hold on tight, and let the G35 take you on an unforgettable ride. BMW E46 3 Series, performance and luxury combined. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of performance and luxury, brought to you by the iconic BMW E46 3 Series. This car is the epitome of driving pleasure, and it can be yours without breaking the bank. The E46 3 Series is a sweet spot in the BMW lineup, offering a perfect balance of performance and elegance. Slide behind the wheel, and you'll experience the smooth power delivery of the Bavarian straight-six engine. It's a symphony of horsepower and torque that will make your heart race. But it's not just about the engine. BMW's all-wheel drive system ensures that every turn and corner is met with confidence and precision. The E46 3 Series was built to conquer both city streets and winding country roads. Now, we have to address the elephant in the room: maintenance costs. Yes, BMWs are known for having slightly higher maintenance and parts expenses. But trust us when we say that the joy you'll experience behind the wheel of this iconic car makes it all worthwhile. After all, you're not just buying a car. You're investing in a driving experience that will leave you craving more. So, if you're ready to turn heads, feel the power beneath your fingertips, and enjoy the luxurious features that come standard with the BMW, the E46 3 Series is waiting for you. Lexus SC400, luxury and longevity. Now, let's enter the realm of automotive luxury and reliability with the Lexus SC400. This car has been a go-to choice for those seeking a combination of comfort, style, and performance, all at an affordable price. While prices for the SC400 have seen a recent increase, we can't overlook its allure. This OG Lexus luxury machine packs a seriously bad V8 engine that will make you fall in love with every press of the pedal. It's a true power plant, propelling you forward with a satisfying growl. Beyond the power, the SC400 has another trick up its sleeve: longevity. This car has earned a reputation as a top pick for vehicles that can last over 1 million miles. Yes, you heard that right. With proper care and maintenance, the SC400 can be your companion for countless adventures. But let's not forget the luxury aspect. Step inside the SC400 and you'll find yourself surrounded by opulence and craftsmanship. Plush materials, refined touches, and advanced technology make this car a haven of comfort and sophistication. While the recent price increase might make it a bit more challenging to find an SC400 within the $3,000 range, it's still worth considering. Investing in this piece of automotive history could prove to be an ideal move in the long run. So, if you're yearning for a taste of luxury, performance, and a potential investment, keep an eye out for the Lexus SC400. Toyota Camry, surprising style and endurance. It's time to shake things up a bit and talk about a car that might not immediately come to mind when you think of excitement and style: the Toyota Camry. Yes, that's right, the reliable and sensible Camry has a surprise up its sleeve. While the Camry is well known for its reliability and practicality, it also has a secret side. With the right aftermarket support and a touch of creativity, this humble sedan can transform into a head-turning beauty. Picture this: a Camry equipped with a crazy body kit that adds style and performance. Suddenly, your daily driver becomes a unique statement of individuality. From sleek front splitters to aggressive rear spoilers, the possibilities are endless. Plus, there's an astonishing amount of aftermarket support available, allowing you to personalize your Camry to your heart's content. Also worth mentioning is the Camry's enduring reputation. This car has repeatedly shown that it is well built to last. It will obediently serve you for many years to come with proper maintenance. Therefore, the Toyota Camry might be your best option if you're looking for a dependable and surprisingly stylish vehicle that isn't going to cost the earth. Hey there, folks! Before we dive deeper into our quest for affordable speed and style, let's take a quick pit stop for a witty mid-video check-in question. So tell me, if you had to choose one of these budget-friendly cars to unleash your inner racer, which one would it be? Is it the thrilling Infiniti G35, the elegant BMW E46 3 Series, the luxurious Lexus SC400, or perhaps the surprisingly stylish Toyota Camry? Let your imagination run wild and drop your answer in the comments below. Now, back to the exhilarating world of affordable automotive adventures. Ford Focus SVT. Unleash your inner hot hatch hero. The SVT Ford Focus. How I've long lusted after one. This little monster, developed by the Special Vehicles team, is like a hot hatch on steroids, and it can easily outperform the EK Civic Type R. It's quick, it's tough, and it won't break the bank. No one said a thrilling experience had to cost a fortune. With its sport-tuned suspension, this Ford Focus is all about precision. It hugs those corners like a pro, making you feel like a race car driver even on your daily commute. And those quick brakes, they'll bring you to a stop faster than you can say, "I'm the king of the road." Acura TL. Luxury and performance in perfect harmony. Now, let's talk about the Acura TL. This beauty is Honda's way of saying, we can do luxury and performance, and we can do it damn well. With its sleeper V6 engine lurking under the hood, the TL is a wolf in sheep's clothing, ready to pounce on the road. Step inside the cabin, and you'll be greeted by a world of opulence and comfort. Plush materials, refined craftsmanship, and technology that rivals the cars of today. It's like riding in a first-class lounge, but with a hidden beast ready to be unleashed when you hit that pedal. Toyota Celica. Lightweight fun for the budget-conscious. The Toyota Celica. A true symbol of lightweight fun and sportiness. This little car knows how to put a smile on your face without draining your bank account. It's like the Energizer Buddy of the automotive world. It just keeps going and going. Whether you opt for the GT or the GTS model, you're in for a treat. The GTS, with its Yamaha-developed engine, delivers a punch that will leave you gripping the steering wheel with excitement. It's a lightweight package of joy, a car that proves you don't need a mountain of cash to experience thrilling driving. Mitsubishi Eclipse. Fast and furious dreams on a budget. Let's take a trip down memory lane to a time when the Mitsubishi Eclipse was the epitome of cool. Remember the days of Fast and Furious? When you dreamed of hitting the streets in a sleek and powerful machine? Well, the Eclipse can still make those dreams come true, even on a budget. With its lightweight design and V6 engine, the Eclipse packs a punch that will have you feeling like Roman himself. It's a car that's built for speed, ready to take you on a thrilling adventure. So buckle up, put on your favorite racing soundtrack, and let the Eclipse transport you to the world of adrenaline and excitement. Subaru Legacy. Adventure awaits on and off the road. The Subaru Legacy, a true legend in the world of all-wheel drive capability. This car is for those who seek adventure, those who crave the open road, and those who want to go beyond the beaten path. With the Legacy, you're not just limited to the pavement. Whether you choose the classic Legacy Outback or the 2.5 GT wagon, Subaru offers a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. It's a car that's built to take you on any terrain, with its all-wheel drive system providing confidence and stability. So go ahead, embrace your adventurous spirit, and let the Legacy take you places you've never been before. Subaru Impreza. Unleash the fun step by step. Last but not least, we have the Subaru Impreza. It may not have the same power as its WRX or STI siblings, but don't underestimate this little warrior. It's like an STI with training wheels, a car that allows you to gradually unleash the fun. With its flat-4 engine and all-wheel drive, the Impreza offers versatility and excitement. It's a car that can handle any road condition, from rain-soaked streets to twisty mountain passes. So hop in, rev that engine, and let the Impreza be your partner in crime as you embark on your driving adventures. So there you have it, a tantalizing lineup of affordable cars that are guaranteed to put a smile on your face without putting a dent in your wallet. Don't let the price tags fool you. These budget-friendly rides offer a world of excitement and driving pleasure. Now, if you've enjoyed this thrilling ride through the top 10 cheap cars under $3,000, then buckle up and hit that subscribe button below. Join our community of car enthusiasts here in Car Computer Exchange, and never miss out on our exhilarating content. Remember, adventure awaits, and the ideal ride is just a click away. Stay tuned, my fellow frugal petrol heads.